Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the today's IIC program number 4, Department of Civil Engineering, GNLT. So, my name is C. Sandeep Reddy, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. Hearty welcome to our today's speaker, Dr. S.M. Subhash, Associate Professor, uh, and other professors, faculty, and all the students of GNIT. Today's session in IIC Q3 on steps to startup. Before getting into the session, I'd like to invite our HOD, Professor K. Vijay Kumar, to the program and speak a few words about the program in the department. Sorry, ma'am, over to you.
Yes, good morning, my dear faculty and the students. Good morning,
Good morning, sir.
my dear students and
Ma'am.
my dear faculty. Yeah, this is Professor K. Vijay Lakshmi. Yes, and today this program is for IIC, Institutional Innovation Council. Yes, so the purpose of this council is to get different innovative ideas for our civil engineering students. Okay, so what are those different topics? Okay, and yesterday, the day before also, we had some lectures. Okay, and today the lecture is from Dr. S.M. Subhash Garu. Yes, and the topic is steps to startup. So don't think that startup is only for a CAC, IT or someone else. Okay, so for civil engineers also the startup courses are very important. If you want to become an entrepreneur, yes, so you want to start something, yes, so the knowledge of startup program is very important. Okay, so this program is under a startup club. Okay, so Dr. S.M. Subhash Garu will be giving a lecture, small lecture on the steps to start startup. Yes, okay, thank you, sir. You are welcome, sir. You can start with you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Now, I would like to invite today's speaker, Dr. S.M. Subhash Garu, to the program. Dr. S.M. Subhash Garu is Associate Professor and Head of the Department in Civil Engineering, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. He obtained BE in Civil Engineering in 2010 from Anna University, Tamil Nadu, ME in Infrastructure Engineering and Management in 2013 from Anna University, Tamil Nadu, and PhD in Civil Engineering in 2019 from Anna University, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Subhash Garu has almost 8 years of teaching experience in various colleges in Tamil Nadu and Telangana, and also having industrial experience. Uh, he has published so many research papers in national and international scope assemblies and conferences. Uh, he guided so many number of funded projects and attended uh, workshops, conferences, faculty development programs, CTPs, webinars, etc. Dr. S.M. Subhash Garu has handled various positions and responsibilities in academics and given guest lectures on applications of payment engineering. This is a short profile of Dr. S.M. Subhash Garu. Now, I'd like to request Dr. S.M. Subhash Garu to start his session. Uh, yes, over to you, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes,
You can start,
yes,
sir.
yes, yes. Thank you. So, thank you, Ms. Sandeep, and thank you, Professor Vijayalakshmi, ma'am. And once again, good morning to all my dear faculty members and my dear students. So, today this is a session, okay, which is related to the startups. Okay, so I'm just going to give a session. I'm just going to tell you some share my ideas how to start the startups. Okay, that's the thing. So let me share the screen now. I'm sharing the screen, please wait. If the screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we can start. So today's session is what are the steps to start the startups? Okay. So first of all, you everyone need to know the idea about what is startup. Okay. So generally, the graduation students, generally the final year students, they all are expecting to go in get a better placement in a company. Okay. That is not the only aim for the engineers. Okay, so you are the civil engineers, you should not aim only to go for a higher studies. When I need to go for to place in a good company, I need to develop there. Okay, that is not only the ways. There are many ways of developing yourself. In that one small way is known to be the startup. Okay, so did anybody know what is meant by startup? Okay, I will tell. So first of all, we need to know what is startup and how. Yeah.
Practice.
Okay. So first we need to know what is startup and how to start the startup. For starting the startup, what are the things we require? Okay. So this is topic not related to your subject, not related to your theory or your analytical subject you are studying. Okay. So this is the general life subject for you, what to do and how to do. Okay. So you just aim it on that. So we can go for with this. First of all, we need to know what is mean by startup. Okay, so now we are going to start a business. Okay, start up is you need to start any business, anything which will lift up in your life. Okay, how we can define this? You can see a startup is a young company founded by one or more entrepreneurs. Okay, you know that entrepreneurs. Okay, you are starting a business. Okay, I am starting one business. Okay, and I am developing one company. Okay, that is the entrepreneur. That company which is started from a small invention, that is called startup. Okay, so it can be developed by single person or it can be developed by the company of another one or two persons. Okay, so depending on that, you can develop some companies, some websites, anything comes under startup. Okay, I'm just going to start a website. I'm just going to create a concept of BIM. Okay, that is a startup. Anything developed by your own, by yourself or with your friends as a entrepreneur. Okay, so now there are more examples. Everyone have unique ideas. For example, I can take one product you are taking. Okay, so now we can take this chicken KFC. Okay, that is a unique. Okay, they have the patent rights. That KFC rights you cannot use in anywhere. That is several decades ago. Okay, so that you have to think. And for startup, we require a simple shoestring operation, that is small budget we required. That is for initial funding. That is from your pocket or from your friends or from your relatives you can do. Okay, so there are now, due to online education, there are more forums came. Okay, you are studying, you are seeing the websites in the TVs, Vedantu, Byju's, all are comes under the small startup. Okay, I'm developing the apps, anything. Okay, this you are seeing the Vedantu and Byju's, and other than this, some any companies online platform they are developing, that is a small startup. Okay, so for this, what are the things you need to do? Okay, I'm just to tell you 7 basic steps. Okay, so what are the things we need to do for creating a small startup hub? First thing is you need to make a business plan. Okay, so first of all, I personally make you to take on a note and note it down and write it down to be after 5 years. Okay, after 5 years or after 10 years, how I will be. Okay, now you are a BE second year, third year, or final year, or any faculty members. Okay, now your age is 25. At the age of 30 years, what I should be, what I need to be. First, you need to fix that one. After that only, from that questions, you can get the more ideas. Okay, so you know that 5 W's, what, where, when, which, why, and 1 H, how. These are the 6 questions you need to be asked for anything. Okay, for example, you are going to, so if I go for a, you are just going to get a marriage. Why you are going to get marriage, how you are going to get, what you are going to do, everything like that. Okay, so plan. You are going to start a precast yard. Okay, concrete yard. So why you are going to take that yard? What is the profit or loss? Where you are going to take? Okay, how you are going to take, like that. So 5 W's, 1 H should be answer for any business plan. Okay, then we can see one by one detail. So second one is your appropriate funding. Third step is you need a right people. Okay, now the companies are taking or startups. Similarly, a right people company in a college or anywhere, you need to make a right people to the right time to the right place. Like that. Okay, you need to keep the right people to the right time to the right place. You are going to start a person means you need to have some positive people around you. They have to do the things. Okay, they have to tell you, okay, what we have to do the business, how to do, like that. You need to surround with the right people. And next, you need to find the location and build a website. Okay, and yeah, next comes the marketing expert. Okay, better you just need to know about the marketing. Okay, everywhere, whatever, there is a marketing. Okay, just selling one small chudidar, they are doing the marketing that is. Okay, the spending of marketing is more when compared to their spending of their required clothes or required things. You can see, you can imagine, if now for the election they are taking, the advertisements is more. They are spending for advertisements is more. Okay, that is the key step. Okay, so next build a customer base. That is very important step, I will tell you. And the last step is prepare for anything. Okay, so for example, you are studying. Okay, you are telling I am studied nearly 20 to tomorrow's exam. Today I studied 18 hours and I thought to get 90 marks, but I get only 70 marks. You have to prepare for anything. Okay, I'm start a business. I have done everything is correctly. I have done that is positive. Everything is done, but I made a loss. Okay, that has to be keep in your mind. You have to prepare for anything. If it is plus, you take it. If it is minus, you just struggle again and you have to take. Okay, there are more stories, histories are there. You know the history of Alexander, like that. There are more stories are there. After several defeat only, one person can reach the goal. Okay, so I'm just tell one by one. So first one is your business plan. Okay, already I informed you how to make a business plan is you need to know the answers for 5 W's and 1 H. Okay, why, what, where, why, when. Okay, 5 W's and 1 H, that is how. So this is the thing. So how do you make a business plan? In simple terms, how you are going to be. Okay, after 5 years, I will get in a company with a get this much salary. Okay, so after 10 years, I will get a marriage and will have the kids, and with this salary, I will work here. Okay, like this, you need to make a business plan. Okay, take a notebook or a paper and just write the things. I'm going to start one company. Okay, that startup company will have this much employees, this much thing, the objective of my company is this, like that you have to write down first. Okay, so you will see in the more movies, they are writing the stories. They will write and clear. They will tar. Again, they will write tar. Okay, still they find the final fruit. Okay, a final fruit, until that they will do it. Similarly, you have to do like this. Okay, so you don't bother only the placements or don't bother only the higher studies. There is another world we are having. This is the sum of the startup. Okay, you know the Ambani, Tata, every person have come with a small startup with a small idea. Okay, so next comes your what you want to do and how you are planning to do. That's what I already told. And you need to outline 3 to 5 years of your business strategy. That is the important thing. Okay, you can see, you know the word what is meant by monopoly. Mono means single, poly means you are going to do a business in a single manner. Okay, so if you are supplying, now you take you are now here, you are taking one plastic factory. So the plastic covers everything which is comes under your factory. Only one factory it is there, means you are the monopoly. Okay, what's the strategy you have to find is, if you are taking any location, in that location which is not available, you have to take that. Okay, for example, in a construction, RMC plants which will be away from your city generally. So you can do the startup with a mini RMC plant which is having given daily 1 m³ of concrete. That's all. Okay, you are going to give only 1 m³ daily. Okay, a truck is giving 6 m³ of concrete. So that huge thing we can't go for. We need to go for outside city. So nearby we need to do it like that. You can do it. That is the strategy. Okay, so like this, there are more strategy you have to study and you have to find. And the business plan needs to be the first thing on your list, because you will use it help you with some of the remaining steps. Yeah. Okay, once you made this step, then every step will come with the answer of this. Okay, so now I'm going to start a concrete blocks factory. Okay, I'm just going to construct a precast concrete blocks. So next question will come. Okay, that is your next step. So for concrete blocks, what is the fund you require? Then where you are going to put location. Okay, like that each step will come one by one. Okay, and this is the second important step, funding. Okay, whatever you're going to start, we need a amount. Okay, we need money. Okay, you can say I'm just a graduate, I'm BA completer, my parents are not that much thing, but I need to do a startup. So you need to think in such a way, the amount spending should be less. You can see this. Okay, so I'm going to do a concrete block like this, means the capital will be more. So you should not take like this. So startups you have to start. So I am very famous in doing the bins. So you can just take a plan, you just create a software of layout. Okay, just create a topographical maps, landscaping, like that you can create in a software. And you can make a software, you can get a right. After that, every people will come and get it from you. Okay, so now in our college, we are doing some NBA work, snacks works, everything. For that, some people are designing the software. Okay, and they are telling that software you use it, you will get the better opportunity, and they are getting the money from the colleges. Okay, so like this, you have to imagine. Okay, so only planning, only sharing. Now you can make a material. Okay, so the material cost, for that you can create some files, Excel files or any data. In that Excel file, if you put one value, it will show the cost like that. So like that you have to do it. So more access we require. So you cannot write any magic number. Okay, I need 1 lakh. For constructing house, how much you require? I need 20 lakhs. Like that you should not tell. You have to check each and everything. Okay, so foundation, substructure, this equipment, this how much rocks we are getting, how much concrete meter cube we are going to use. 1 meter cube is this much, so this much meter cube required. Like that, you have to clearly study your business, and then you have to give your numbers. Okay, you should not tell roughly we need some 5 lakhs, some 10 lakhs like that. And this startup cost will be obviously vary from industry because previous site they will do certain softwares and they will give, and we are going to a practical startups means it will take more money. Okay, for if you taken that is no equipment I required, I no need of no persons to work with me, I no need to pay salaries. So as per the last 10-year record, only 50,000 if you had in your hand, you can start the startup. Okay, not much amount you required. I'm having only 50,000, but I no need any person to me. I no need of giving salaries, anything. You can start the startup. There are more successful startup person is there. At the last slide, I will tell you the one successful startup person. And this is very important. Okay, so this is very difficult because in our world, not only in our nearby place world, when you start one thing means they will come and stop you. Don't do this, this is waste. Don't do this, that is wrong. Okay, so you can you will accept Napa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, once you start it, any business, anything, or still our relatives will tell what you know, why you are doing this like that. So first of all, you need to surround yourself with the right people. Okay, so you are going to need some help. We launch my start company. So where do you start? Okay, so you need some right people. So overlooked when entrepreneurs are getting their business started. Okay, so what you are going to do is some programs. We are conducting some programs from the okay those who are studied in our college in the year of 2014-15. They have passed out and they have started a company. They will come and give you a lecture in the next upcoming weeks. So you can see. So you can take that person as an example for you and get advice from them, and you can start a company. Okay. So in this way, you have to take the right people who is meant to be an entrepreneur. And there is another thing. And how many people do you need to do this startups? Okay. So this is meant to be different. Okay, this is meant to be different because of one industry we need only 5 people, one industry we need 10 people, some we require 100 people like that. So that is the thing you have to finalize it. And the next part is the location and to build a website.
No, we are just looking at the first slide only, sir. The slides are not changing.
Are you seeing now?
Yes, sir, I can see. Slides are not changing, sir.
Now it's changing, yeah?
Yeah, now it is in fourth part. Find the location and build websites.
Okay, okay. So now the fourth one is the find location and build a website. Okay, one second. If you see your slide, there is fourth one, find a location and build a website.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So your startup company needs first you need a address for your company. Okay. So first you need an address. So any location, any which part, that is I called monopoly or oligopoly. Okay. So if you are going to take a company which is meant to be one which is not touched by any person, that is called monopoly. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, attendance. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So whether you need to find the location first. Okay. So you need to find the location where your office is going to be placed, or if you are going taking as a manufacturing, that is a precast slab. You are going to construct a grid slabs or you are going precast slabs means at which location you are going to do that precasting. Okay, that you need to find. And this is the important thing, marketing expert. Okay, you need to become a marketing expert. What is that? You should not tell I'm a civil engineer, so I won't do a marketing. Like that you should not tell. Okay, you have to tell that I'm a marketing. So it's not going for this. Slide is not changing. It will.
Yes, sir. It is in. It's changed just now to ninth slide. Again, it is in find location. Slide.
Okay, wait 1 second.
Now it changed.
Please wait, I'm sharing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you are seeing everything.
So only heading power, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are the things we have seen. Okay, what is startup and what are the steps? These are the 7 steps we have seen. Okay, making a business plan, secure appropriate funding, surround yourself with the right people, find a location and build a website, become a marketing expert, build a customer base and prepare for anything. Okay, so first business plan I already told. You need to answer the 4 W's and 1 H. You have to prepare answers for this 5 W's and 1 H. Okay, so your business, you need to plan your strategy, business strategy for next 3 to 5 years, how your business should be. Okay, so next is the funding. I told you some amount you can get from your relatives or friends and loans from yourself also. If you're going for a small thing, only 50,000 is enough for being a starting a startup. If there is no salaries to that giving to the employer or anything like that. And surround yourself with the right people. Okay. So already I told you some entrepreneurs are coming weeks. They are going to give you a lecture. So you have to take the example from those person as a entrepreneurs examples, and you have to work on that, and you have to develop a startup. Okay. And this is the fourth one, how to find the location and build a website. So now it is fully a technology. So if you're going to take anything, you have to search in the Google. Okay, we're taking Google, and now you are going to purchase anything, any dresses, or you are going to do anything, you are going to take a Google and you are going to see that, and you are going to search that. Okay, so that is the main thing. So you need to find, create your website for yourself, and you have to find that location, that head office, like that. You need to give one location of which place you are going to start this startup. Okay, and now comes the marketing expert. Okay, so you are not a famous in marketing. Okay, because you have studied only the theory and analytical part of your civil engineering, and you know the basics of civil engineering, and you know the knowledge about civil engineering. But marketing is meant to be very crucial for you. You have to take that one. Okay, so for this, and you should not tell that I'm not a marketing expert. Okay, you need to become that marketing expert. Okay, because for example, if you are selling any product, you need to market that. Okay, that's what we have to give to them. Some huge malls or huge theaters, they are doing the marketing, then only it will be known by the other person. So without marketing, you cannot be survive, and you cannot sell your product. Okay, so first you need to do the marketing. For example, if you are creating any product, okay, for example, if you are creating a small, now in the last semester we participated in some toy-a-thon competition also. We are creating some toys. Okay, so like that, if you create one product and get a right for that, and if you are selling this, you have to tell to the respective persons, so this is best product. Okay, so you are creating on simple material, lime, silica mixing with one thing, you are creating on simple material, and you have to sell that to the persons. So these are the benefits of this material, these are the plus minus, you can do it, your cost is effective, like that. You have to market it and you have to sell that. Okay, so this is the crucial step. And next is the customer base. Okay, so now you, after starting your business, getting a first customer is very, very, very crucial. You need to struggle a lot for a month or years. Okay, so I can because many persons, I also checked, they are getting the first customer is need to be very crucial. Okay, so now you made the website, you created your plan, you developed your product, everything is okay for you. Now you need a customer to get your product. Okay, so you need a customer for you, then only you can get the product. So now you have to open your doors for the business. So getting a first customer is meant to be very crucial, and after this, okay, you should not stop. Okay, so there may be a certain things, how to get a repeated customers. Okay, there is a 3 important things to get a customers repeatedly. Okay, so that is known to be your customer service. Okay, simple secret is customer service. Okay, you are using the website. Okay, now Amazon, Flipkart, which is meant to be very less before 4-5 years, the which is spending again getting the products in online is very, very, very less. After getting first product, second product, customer service, they are mostly they are ordering. Now they are anything, now it is online. Okay, So you can ask your parents, okay, they didn't go for online anything. At least some 5 to 10 years before this you go, there is no online anything. After we are telling in offline 10,000, online 9,000, but giving a quality good customer service means now we are going buying that product. Okay, so that is the thing. So you need to do the best customer service, and you have to take the first customer and making the first customer and giving the best customer service is the important crucial point. Okay. So then the last step is, as already told, prepare for anything. Okay, sir, I made a customer service is good. I made a first customer is okay, but there is no profit. Okay, I spent nearly 10 lakhs. Okay, there is no profit. Same 10 lakhs is there, no profit, no loss. If there is no profit, no loss, no issue. From the next project, you can get the profit. If it is loss, at that time also, don't lose your hope. So the first thing is expect the unexpected. Okay. So as a civil engineer, it's a challenging thing. So most of the projects you can see. So the constructions which happened, some 2-3 cases are there in China and in India. They are constructing the apartments and the commercial buildings of more than 15 floors. After 15 floors, suddenly one day it is fully demolished. Okay, so it is demolished through the natural calamity. So you can have to say, so really you made that much houses, which is under the construction, 15 floors completed, but suddenly one day totally fully vanished. That is like that only. So you can see that much amount you have spent, crores amount you have spent, finally it is become zero. Like that you have to expect unexpected. You should not tell I am spending 10 lakhs, so I will need to get 12 lakhs. Like that you should not take it in your mind. Do the things as such. If it is profit, take it in your pocket. If it is loss, again you try once again. Okay. So launching your startup company, this is won't be easy. Okay. So you need to plan for some hurdles along the way. Okay. So this is not you only doing a startup like this. Many companies, many persons will do. Many persons will start. If you are okay with your idea, you will be succeed in this world. Okay, so you can't get discouraged when something goes wrong. That's what I said you. Preserve and push through it. Okay, so difficulties that you will face while launching a startup company will help prepare you for a tough road ahead. Okay, so like this we need to do. These are the for doing a startup. Okay, so keeping all this in mind only, you have to start your startup. Okay, so nowadays the government of India is giving more schemes for the development of startups. Okay, so after this class and after the class over evening, you can check in the Google. Okay, startup funds for startups. Okay, government of India, they are giving more funds, so you can get the fund from them. If your only thing is if your idea is good, no issue. Okay, so idea is good, they are ready to give you a amount. Okay, so this is one of the successful entrepreneur. This is a person called Neil Patel. Okay, so he is a co-founder of NP Digital. Okay, his age is only 27. Okay, his age is only 27. So he is one of the top 10 marketers, and the Entrepreneur magazine says he is created as one of the 100 most brilliant companies. Okay. And he is one of the top 100 entrepreneur under the age of 30 by the President of Obama. He is praised, and top 100 entrepreneur under the age of 35 by United Nations. Okay, so age is not the things. Okay, now you may be 21, 22, 25, anything. Age is not the restriction for the making a startup and becoming entrepreneur. Okay, so like him, I need the persons like you all to become need to do a startup and develop yourself. Okay, so with this I will complete my session. You can start your journey by making a new startup company. Okay, so once again I wish you all the best to get more ideas and develop a small startups. Okay, so with this we can close it. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask me.
Please, participants, if you have any questions.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Uh, Sir, how what are the easy way to get our customers, sir? What are the ways, sir?
yeah. First thing is you are preparing a plan. You need to, if you prepared a plan. Okay, so for example, you are doing
Sir,
a
just I want to ask, if we develop our
yeah,
materials or our products, sir, so how to get our customer in
yeah,
easy way, sir? How to sell that product? How to obtain the
yeah,
profit from the product?
yeah. First thing is marketing. What you are going to do is, for example, if you are preparing a some admixture, okay, so you are creating one admixture. Okay, how you need to sell this admixture to the market. So first, what you are going to do is, yeah, you are going to sell this admixtures. You know what is meant by admixtures. Okay, you are just going to mix it with the concrete. Okay, there are more admixtures. Now you are creating one admixture. First of all, you need to create one pamphlet or one brochure. Okay, you have to create one brochure. That brochure which shows what is the benefits of this admixture, what is the cost of this compared to market, what is the plus of your things. Like that, you have to make one brochure and you have to market it to the respective companies. You have to go to that company. That is the thing, marketing. You have to give this brochures. Okay, just give this brochures like you have to survey for 2-3 months. You need to go like this. Okay, this is one of my idea. So you have to give this vouchers, and after that, if suppose you are giving to some 1,000 people, in this at least 10%, 10 people have seen your vouchers and called you, and out of 10, at least one person is okay to take you, then that's how your business is started. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
yeah. So this is one thing. Okay, so if you are going for a concrete cubes, okay, so nearby construction, you just find the location first. Okay, so where the city is going to develop, so nearby location you put that manufacturing plant. Okay, so that manufacturing plant, so your transportation cost is reduced, so automatically those customers will come and get you. Only thing is you need to do the constructing on a building from your service. So now my brother is also going to construct one building. So what I will do, I will make your suggestion of giving your name to that person. Then his father is going to do something like that. Like that only it will be start our business. Okay, Napa?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. But it is physical way. But any virtual way that from the ads from the companies like that.
Yeah, now fully social media is there, Napa. So you can
Uh,
see if your construction means there are more website came. Uh, this 99 acres, Magic Bricks, there are more website came for selling that materials. Okay, OLX, all are websites. Okay, in this website also, you just to post your ads. Okay, post your ads in OLX and some common platforms. Okay, I should not tell all the platforms. You have to go in OLX, 99 acres, Bricks, Quaker, all the things you just post your ads. Okay, we are doing this, like that, post it. Social media, in your Facebook friends Facebook. Okay, so now you are having 1,000 friends. So if you share this, it will reach to the 1,000 friends. Those 1,000 friends is having another 1,000, means you can calculate the matrix. 1,000 cross 1,000, that much people it will reach it. Okay, so like this you can make it. So clearly you can do it. You can see that Vola. Okay, Vola is a startup company. Vola doesn't having, not even having one car in his own name. Okay, this Vola is not having even one car in his own name, but he is earning more amount of crores and crores of money. Okay, so that is called an idea. That is a startup idea. Okay, we are booking Vola car now, but nothing, each car is not owned by the Vola. Okay, Vola is having only one app. Okay, you are purchasing, you are going to the respective places, but only thing is he is not having even one car, single car. Okay, so like that we need to do it. Okay, any other things?
Yes, participants, any other questions?
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, sir. Thank you, students. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I think we have reached the end of the program. So I feel personally great at looking for thanks on this occasion of today's program on steps to start startup in our department. On behalf of the management of our global department, we are giving gratitude for today's speaker, Dr. S. M. Subhash Garu, for his time to motivate and guiding the students to start startups in various fields. Right? We are very fortunate to have experienced identity from academics and industry background to motivate our students. Last but not least, we are very thankful to the participants of this session. Thank you all for your good support.
Yeah,
So that is this is the end of the session.
yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you all. You can exit.